Iai taumata. Welcome to Maori Language Week at Taumata. Ko Livi toku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Lyric toku ingoa. Let's get in today's mini lesson. Today we're going to look at how to say the days of the week.
Did you know there are two different sets of words for the days of the week? There are the ngā rā o te wiki, which are more commonly used in modern settings.
And loan words, or transliteration of the English word.
Today we will learn the ngā rā o te wiki. Monday is rāhina. Remember to pronounce the elongated R sound, AH sound with the R that has the macron over it. Repeat after me. Rāhina. Ka pai.
In English, Monday means day of the moon. So rāhina is a version of that. Rā means day. Hina refers to mahina, which means moon in Te Reo Māori. Tuesday is rātu. Again, don't forget to make the first R sound longer. Repeat after me. Rātu. Well done.
In English, Tuesday means day of Mars. In Māori, the two part of rātu refers to Tumatoenga, the Māori god of war. Wednesday is rāpa. For this sound, you still say the first R longer and then roll into apa. Roll into the apa part of the word. Repeat after me. Rāpa.
Rāpa.
Ka pai.
In English, Wednesday means day of Mercury. In Māori, apa refers to aparangi, which means Mercury. Thursday is rāpari. Repeat after me. Rāpari. Nice work, everyone.
In English, Thursday means day of Jupiter. So in Māori, pare refers to pare aro, which means Jupiter. Friday, which is today, is Rāmere. Repeat after me. Rāmere. Ka pai.
In English, Friday means day of Venus. Rā again means day, and mere is Venus. Rāhore is Saturday. It means day of washing. Rā, day. Hore, washing. Horoi, wash. Repeat after me. Rā horoi. Ka pai.
And finally, Rā tapu, which is Sunday, which in Te Reo Māori means the sacred day. Rā meaning today, Rā meaning day again, and tapu meaning sacred. Repeat after me. Rā tapu. Ka pai. Now we're moving to our next segment, Ki waha o te rā.
Ki waha o te rā means say of the day in Māori. Saying of the day in Māori.
Today's ki waha o te rā is e hika mā, which means for goodness sake, far out or crikey. Here's an example. Who blocked the wharipaku? E hika mā.
Ready to repeat after me? Let's give it a go. E hika mā. That's right. Again. E hika mā. Well done.
We're now going to give you a chance to test what you've learnt this week.
We're going to put some words on the next slide. Give a minute to see if you can answer them.
Each hub will have 2 words to translate into Te Reo Māori from our lessons this week.
Well then, take turns trying on our mic to answer. Turning on our mic. Learning coaches, can you please support your hubs to do this and turn the mics on when it is your turn?
You can see here that each hub has 2 words to translate into Te Reo Māori. For example, Moa 1 have Friday and book bag to translate.
We will give you 1 minute for hubs to talk amongst yourselves to figure out what both words are.
Moa 1, you're up first.
So you've got 1 minute to figure out your words, guys.
So what's Friday? Rāmere. And what was book bag? Piki puka.
So go to the next slide then.
Did you hear us? We answered ours. Oh, yes.
The answers are Rāmere, Friday, and Peke Puki Puka, book bag.
Moa 2, you're up next. Please turn on your mic and let us know the answers to the words.
Kia ora. All right, so team, what's the word for Saturday? Oh, that was too quiet. What's the word for Saturday? Rahoroi. Awesome. And good evening is Po Marie.
The answers are Rahoroi, Saturday, and Po Marie, good evening.
Matarao, you're up next. Please turn on your mic and let us know the answers to your next questions.
Ready? What is Wednesday? And I am well.
The answers are Rapa, Wednesday, and Keita Ora Aho, I am well.
Pūwhenua, you're up next. Please turn on your mics and let us know the answers.
Thursday is? And I don't know.
The answers are Rāpere, Thursday, and Owa, I don't know.
Patani Wainuku, you're up next. Please turn on your mics and let us know your answers.
Tuesday is Ratu and give it heaps is Karawhiua.
The answers are Ratu, Tuesday, and Karawhiua, give it heaps.
Well done, everyone.
Thank you all for tuning in this week for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori.
Te Reo Māori is our indigenous language here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. And having us all on board is an important part of the revitalization of our language.
Kia kaha Te Reo Māori.
Make Māori language strong.
Ka kite.
Ka kite.
Eira.